Speakers bubble, screens aglow, mixing data soft and low. A yellow crest and safety glass, chasing sounds that fly too fast. Synthesize the human note, a perfect pitch, a perfect throat. Oh, the algorithm of that, the complex sound design. For every feather, every wing, a voice that is divine. A feather genius built on dreams, with wire and with sheen, to speak the worlds across the line, to finally be seen. The final click, the voice is clear. Hello world, the future's here.